Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson, dear student, we discuss about what is formula. In previous lesson, we discussed about what is symbol. Now, the next word is what is formula. Formula. To represent a molecule, we use some symbol. To molecule, we use this is formula. We all know that the formula of the oxygen gas, is O2. Okay. Okay. The formula of the sulfuric acid is H2SO4. We all know that the H is the symbol of hydrogen, S is the symbol of sulfur, O is the symbol of oxygen. Okay. So the formula of the sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Now there was some rule to represent the formula. Okay. At first we introduced rule number 1. What say rule 1? Rule 1 say if the two elements are non-metal, for that case if the two elements are non-metal, for that case first write less electronegative element. Write less electronegative element, then more electronegative element. Okay. Now what is the example of this? Okay. Nitric oxide. We all know that the electronegativity of oxygen is more than nitrogen. So first write what? First write less electronegative element. Nitrogen is less electronegative element, that's why we write the formula of nitric oxide is NO. Clear, student? Now we introduced rule number 2. What's a rule 2? Rule 2 say that if between two elements one is metal, if if between two elements one is metal or metal like and another is non-metal, between two elements one is metal or metal like and another is non-metal, then first write metal write the symbol of metal or metal like elements, then write then non metal elements. Okay, example क्या, calcium oxide. Okay, calcium oxide. What is the formula of calcium oxide? What is the formula of calcium oxide? We all know the symbol of calcium is Ca and it becomes the metal and oxide. Okay, so the formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Clear? The formula of water is what? We all know the formula of water. It becomes H2O. Sodium sulfide. If we write sodium sulfide, what is the formula of sodium sulfide? We all know the symbol of sodium is Na and the formula of sodium sulfide is Na2S. Clear? Now the next rule is rule 3. What's a rule 3? Rule 3 says that if between two non-metal, if between two non-metal one is solid then write the element first which is solid. They write the other. If it becomes liquid or it becomes gaseous, whatever it may be, then write the others. Example is what? Silica. Okay, silica. We all know silica. Silica, what is the formula of silica? It becomes SiO2. Okay, another example is carbon dioxide. Oxygen is what? Oxygen is gas. That's why we write oxygen later and we write first the symbol of carbon. Thank you for watching.